Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on finance for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Spendee Budget Planner application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device and you will be taken into the home page from which you can log in or sign up. In order to create a new account, click on the sign up with email option and you will now be asked to enter your email address in order to complete the sign up process. Just enter your preferred email address that you would like to use for this application and then enter your desired password underneath within the password box. After typing in your desired password, click on the sign up button and now you will be asked to enter your first and your last name. After entering both of these, you may also set a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon. After setting up both your name and your profile picture, click on the continue button and then agree with the terms and conditions. You will be prompted to choose your plan for the application, which you can go through and then make your selection, or you can also click on the close button at the top left in order to continue with your free account. You will now be asked whether you would like to add your transactions manually or connect your bank account to the app. You can set this now right away, or you can skip this for now by clicking on skip. And now you have successfully been signed up to your new account on Spendee. You can start using the tool in order to start planning and tracking your budget right away. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.